Welcome to our factory journey. Today we will show you the complete bone craft and handicraft factory process from raw bones to beautiful finished products. In this video, you will see how bones are carefully cleaned, dried, cut, carved, polished, decorated, and turned into large decorative jewelry and handicraft items. Every step is done with care, precision, and proper factory methods. You will see close details of carving, shaping, smoothing, and final assembly. Watch till the end to see how simple raw material becomes elegant handcrafted pieces. In this first stage, raw animal bones arrive at the factory. They are carefully sorted and inspected to select the best quality pieces for handicraft production.
This femur shows advanced ossification.
Agreed, the texture is consistent.
Let's measure this humerus next.
Good, the details are clear.
Workers organize the bones and remove unwanted parts. Only strong and suitable pieces move to the cleaning section.
In this facility, raw bones are stored on hygienic stainless steel racks. The structured layout with labeled containers ensures efficient organization. This system maintains hygiene and facilitates easy access.
The selected bones are washed with high-pressure water to remove dirt and impurities. After washing, the bones are boiled in large tanks. This process makes them clean, safe, and ready for further processing.
This is the clean, smooth surface of a bone after boiling. You can see the fine, natural texture and subtle pores. A pristine example of the material. First, prepare a sanitized workstation. Scrub the bones with a brush to remove debris. Rinse thoroughly with water until clean. This ensures a sterile process.
Let's get these loaded in. Right, this batch looks ready. Spread them out evenly for drying. Got it, no overlapping. Good, seal it up.
Clean bones are placed in drying chambers where warm air removes all remaining moisture. Once fully dried, the bones become lighter and stronger, perfect for cutting and shaping. Large cutting machines slice the bones into smaller workable pieces like discs, blocks, and bracelet shapes. Each piece is shaped carefully to match the design requirements of handicraft products. Skilled workers carve detailed patterns on the bone surface using precision tools. Beautiful designs like floral and geometric patterns slowly appear on the surface.
Each piece is made from animal bone, carved with great care. This one has an intricate animal design. The details are very fine on this ornament, a true work of art.
After carving, each piece is sanded to remove rough edges and uneven surfaces. This process gives the bone a smooth and refined finish. Polishing machines shine the surface to bring out a natural, glossy look. The bone craft pieces now look bright, smooth, and ready for decoration. Some products are decorated with natural dyes or hand-painted designs. This step adds beauty and uniqueness to each handcrafted item. Different bone pieces are assembled into necklaces, bracelets, buttons, and decorative items. Each product is carefully joined and checked for strength and finishing. Finished products go through a final quality inspection. The polished handicraft items are packed safely and prepared for delivery to markets.
This is our bone jewelry collection crafted from reclaimed materials. The necklace features a unique hand-carved pendant. Paired with the bracelet and earrings, it's a cohesive set. It's ready for the market.
This is how the complete bone craft and handicraft factory process turns simple raw bones into beautiful handcrafted products. From cleaning to carving and final decoration, every step requires skill and care. If you enjoyed watching this factory process and want to see more interesting production videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching.